So today is finally the day we go and drive this thing. But first, I need to go ahead and clean everything out of this thing. We got rags, we got wire, we got tools just all over the place. Let's go ahead and get this thing vacuumed and wiped down, and let's go for this test drive. I'm finally gonna start tuning on the VE table, and I just hope I can make some boost. I need to see how much boost I'm running. There's a lot of things we gotta really check when we're doing the data log. So let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned up and looking pretty. Now it's looking like a good car, and let's put that up there. Don't know what that is, but all you gotta do now is just make sure that this is tied up, the HP tuner, when I'm tuning, and I need to hook up this HUD. What this is to show my mile per hour. So I wonder if I can just run the grounds and then the positive to this. I might have to solder it on there. If anything, just cut this right here and then check the power and ground, and then pretty much just go from there, because that's all it is. It's gonna go right here, and that's gonna be my actual mile per hour. So I need to have this installed first. I don't want to keep using my phone because it's kind of an inconvenience. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this and hope for the best. Alrighty, so I think I have everything ready to go. Car is completely clean. This is gonna be my headlight switches. Once I do that, got my digital display up. It does turn on. Bam. Okay. I'm gonna try to put this piece on. Yeet, don't need that. This piece off. It goes under here, right here, to hide everything. But other than that, we can actually go test drive right after that. Guys, this is straight exciting right now. It looks like it's gonna rain though, so I gotta do this now and not later. We're gonna go for a drive, boys. It's about time, man. I am so excited right now. Got the data logger up. Camera recording. All right. It's gonna be super cold. Still rubbing. Oh yeah, still rubbing. Yeah. Woo, that was loud. That thing is just sitting there rubbing back there, isn't it? Woo! Look at the steering. Wow. This thing is a straight box, and I'll tell you that. Keep an eye on those temps, oil gauge, and air fuel. God damn. I wonder if it's rubbing tire again. We're ridden 14.9. I feel like I could daily this now. Besides the rubbing in the back, this thing's pretty nice. I need to get the wheels straight. It's like straight pulling. Woo! Make some boost. We're running 12. Here we go. Oh, shit. Take it off. God damn, my heart beat, boys. Holy. Oh my God, this thing. Holy. I'm afraid to floor it. I really gotta fix that rubbing noise in the back. She's doing good so far though. Oh my God, when you get on the gas, oh, you can definitely feel it. Oh yeah. I need to tweak with the brakes just a little bit. And I feel like they're not good enough in a sense to even hold a burnout. All right, here we go. Woo. She's running a little rich. She's at 10. Let's give it some boost. Oh God. She's at 3,000 RPM. Has it shifted? God damn. I guess she is shifted. 3,000. Around 62 miles per hour. We're still looking good on that. Oil gauge still good. I I need to cut out a lot of this stuff on the back. I can just hear the tire just something's pissed off in the back there. Plus, once I do the alignment, it's gonna feel a lot better because it's probably straight towed out, towed in, just something screwed. Second, or am I in third? Oh yeah. Shut the hell up back there. Trying to make the boost. Woo! Holy sh**. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh sh**. Not even no boost yet. Oh sh**. Woo! Oh god damn son. This is a death machine. Is this a black top? I hope so. If it's black top, I'm going down it. Nope, no black top. Holy. Guys, this is simply amazing. I'm not even getting on it. I'm not even reading boost, and I feel like I'm just taking off. Still analog and looking good. Oh God, like right now, I feel like I'm just a rocket. Woo! Oh. Oh, I did it again where it blew. Put it in neutral, let it roll. Holy crack, son. See, I can't give it too much gas. As soon as it goes into boost, it cuts me off. Hopefully I have enough rolling. Or actually, let's go. Let's pull over right here. Ah, if I can, Jesus. I got no gas. Yeah. Come on, shifter. Okay, we're in neutral. I guess I'll shut it off, turn it back on. Come on, there it goes. We'll stop that data log. We'll save it. First pull, first full drive, 11/28/2020. We'll save that one. We'll data log again. Back the hill up. So I'm not making any boost. God, turning sucks. All right, here we go. So she runs pretty good NA-wise, I think. I guess she's not shifting now. Or it might be in third gear, I don't know. Oh my God. I'm a boat, man. No sway bars. Oh, But right now, 60 miles per hour. She's about 2,700. She's reading about 14.7. You can't do much better than that there. Just cruising now. But as soon as I go into boost, it's straight. I don't know if it makes too much rich or something's pissed off when I go into boost. But I gotta fix this alignment, man. This alignment's screwed up. And then I gotta fix the rubbing noise back there. Man, whoa, golly. Hold on, let's go into boost. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, we're not even boosting yet. Oh, just don't worry about me. See you later. Woo! Oh my God, man. There's my turn up ahead. Making sure to keep my eye on the temp gauge. We're at 153, so that's pretty good. I need to make sure to turn off my turn signal. I can smell something. It smells gross, but I can't put my finger on it. Oh, no! That's hooked up. Oh yeah. Woo! Boost! Oh, mama! I kind of wish she was in. Hey, I really want to get on it right now. Man, this thing's making so many noises, it's creepy. Oh, golly. There we go. Oh. 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 Oh yeah. I can feel it boost cutting. I think it's getting too rich when it's doing that. I can see the AFR just going straight to 10. So let's give it some boost. Woo! Oh, mama! Woo! Oh, yeah, so woo! Sick! Oh! Cruising at 93, let's go, woo! Oh, yeah! Oh, mama! probably got something with the wastegate plumbed wrong or something like that, but golly. What the hell is that noise? Ah! Let's look cool. Let's park by the other Mustang and get a thumbnail. Oh God, if I hit that other Mustang, I'll be pissed. Oh God damn. Oh yeah, no power steering left. Oh, you better turn. Oh, this is gonna suck putting back in the garage, that's for sure. Whoa mama. She's in park. She's sitting there idling, 11.2. Oh, yeah, she's running, I think it's rich. I think it's, when it goes too rich, I feel like the computer sees that and then, no, hey, stop, you can't get any richer than that. It'll start bogging the engine down or something. It goes into lip mode, I feel like. Guys, this is intense. Let's log that one. Second, pull, 11, 28, 2020. I don't know. I gotta look at that tune. Maybe it's a knock sensor, like cut me out, or our spark issue. I couldn't tell you, but as soon as I hit boost, it cuts me off. Throttle wise, like it shuts the throttle off. So that's the next thing to start looking at. But man, now that is some fun stuff. Man, now that was exciting. I'll tell you that, guys. That was just exciting. I need to know what the hell is rubbing over here. Is it rubbing this now? I can't tell. There's already existing stuff there. I didn't think it'd be rubbing there. It doesn't look like it was rubbing there. Doesn't look like it. Nothing sharp. Well, there is rubber, so it was rubbing. Man, I'm about to cut this whole thing out just to make the tire fit. Ah, that sucks. But we're still rubbing, but not as bad. But man, for the first drive, that thing is just incredible. I need to make that radiator higher. That is so low. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, drop a like. Subscribe if you guys are not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.